Not sure how to use your TCL AC remote? Model number KKG20A-C1. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your TCL AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Press the airflow button to adjust the direction of air coming from the unit. It lets you choose a fixed louver position so the cool or warm air is directed exactly where you want it. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. Press the display button to turn the AC's screen light on or off. This helps reduce light disturbance at night while still keeping the unit running normally. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your TCL AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.